Welcome to Excel for Tally.com. In this video, we will learn how to take backup of company and restore a company in Tally ERP9. This is the list of companies. Click on Backup to take backup of a company. Select source path from where backup has to be taken. Copy the path of destination folder. Select companies for backup. Now open the destination folder. The backup files will show in destination folder as a zip file and it can't open directly. In this way, backup will be processed. Now we will restore the data to Tally. Write source path and destination path for restoring data. This is the list of companies. Select the companies for backup and press enter. See, now all three companies are showing here as a folder because we have restored them in Tally. Copy the path and paste it in Tally to check whether the data has restored or not. Data have been restored successfully. In this way we can take backup and restore data in Tally. Subscribe to our channel to get latest update on Tally ERP9. Watch all the videos for update on Tally. Thank you for watching video and don't forget to subscribe our channel.